Introducing the iPure Salt Chlorine Generator from Enermatic, the safe, natural way to disinfect your pool and protect against algae and bacteria. iPure makes your pool water soft and silky to the touch, and it's gentle on your eyes and skin. Unlike traditional chlorine treatments, there are no harsh chemical smells, no chalky tablets, and no chemical residue. The process begins simply by adding in pool salt. When that water is pumped through the iPure cell, ruthenium oxide-covered titanium blades charge the salt molecules through electrolysis, temporarily transforming those molecules into chlorine. Then, they get to work, destroying harmful bacteria and algae. Once your pool has been disinfected, the molecules naturally return to salt, and the process repeats. An included flow switch ensures that chlorine only generates when the pump is running. There's no more pouring and storing chlorine, and no dealing with those chalky tablets. Pool maintenance couldn't be easier. So get the iPure Salt Chlorine Generator from Enermatic and enjoy a pure, clean, hassle-free pool.